So we will start now applying the actual tint. We need to make sure we really reach the roots. So for this I'm stretching here. Then below. And I'm gonna be helping myself. Are you okay, Sophie? Amazing. Okay. Then we just take off some of the pigment here. Although we do have Vaseline, so if we have Vaseline, it protects for, actually protects from everything. Once we are done with that, which I think we kind of are now, we will definitely cover the eyes. In the protocol says with damp cotton discs, but make sure they're not too damp, yeah? So like that, gently over the eyes, and usually the setting time is between 5 and 10 minutes. And during that time we can do the eyebrows. So 5 minutes have passed, I think they're ready now, so we can actually start removing everything. So you can see that how it looks. So we try to, first of all, try to take as much as we can this way. There is a lot of Vaseline on top, so don't worry. It's quite dry, so it's, you know, hardly unlikely to go inside the eye, but just in case. It looks really full. Sophie, do you feel anything?
No.
Perfect. So it didn't go in the eye at all, but I just want to show you in case it does. We are ready, eh? So I'm going to worry just a little bit more. That's it, that's it. Try to relax. Is it okay? That's it. In and out, in and out. And it's very, very... Let me have a look. Do you feel anything?
No.
Not really. But this again, only if you need. So it's not necessary always. Good. So, let me see the other one. That was good. Yeah. Okay, think here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna go inside, but just relax a bit. So, is it okay, yeah?
Yeah.
So we just have to like stretch like this and, you know, really. So doesn't go in the eye. So yeah, perfect. And then, okay, you can open now. It's singing?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So lovely. Actually, it's...
Oh, wow. So pretty.
So we are going to twist the eyebrows or shape the eyebrows or just tidy the eyebrows. Just use tweezer. So you can just keep your eyes closed for me. Thank you. Most important thing is when we do that is that we actually stretch the skin. Yeah. So we stretch, 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 and then we pluck the hair. Yeah. So yeah, let's start with this area. Perfect. Any feeling, Sophie, or not really?
A little bit, but it's okay.
Okay. I'll just stretch a bit more. Almost done. So I usually have my cotton dab with some kind of antibacterial solution. It can be witch hazel to help also the follicles to close, or just, you know, Clinicept, something to just, you know, clean the area as well. Okay, I think that's really, really good.
Yeah.
We usually pluck with the hair growth, so with the direction of the hair growth. So it's quite important. Okay, almost done. Nice. The customer doesn't feel. That's it.